And insider chocolates. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Ah! Ooh, dark chocolate peppermint bark. Oh, thank you, Isabel. Oh my goodness. Yum, 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 yum. This is an adorable box. Oh my gosh. I love the little train. I don't know why I do that. I tap them to death. But that is so cute. Thank you. Is it too close? And then inside here. Oh my gosh, what did you do? Oh, it's upside down. Just like me. Oh my, Isabel. How could you think you didn't? Oh, I love you. You say you didn't send me. You wanted to send me more, and you send me a boatload. Gorgeous red tinsel trim and some large doilies. Yay! Oh, and some smaller doilies. And a nice packet. I'm getting so close to the camera. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Isabel. Like I said, she's totally my doily dealer now. Thank you so much. Oh, fantastic. I could even replicate Santa Claus on a card and do like just the belt. But these could be great for journals to run the straps through, like an old-fashioned journal, like Indiana Jones style journal. I love it. Oh, bullet points or quotes, little. I love these. Thank you. Oh my gosh, they're Recollections brand. These are awesome. Thank you, Isabel. Oh my gosh, look at the little kitties. Oh, how cute. These are adorable. They're little tiny sticky notes. Oh my gosh, Isabel. Those are so cute, hon. Thank you. Oh, a notebook. Guess what? I was looking for a notebook and I have gotten so many and I could not find one. And I know they're here somewhere, so they're starting to grow legs and run away from me. Oh, how cute. A snow globe notebook. Oh, wow. We don't get anything like that around here. That is so cute. Thank you. Oh, my goodness. Oh, burlap trim. Oh, my gosh. Fantastic. Oh, thank you. This bag is absolutely adorable. And there's one big gift I'm going to open last. I'll put that there, right there for the moment. And, ooh, this is a bit heavy. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, wow. I love that. You found the coolest little pieces. I mean, oh my gosh, Isabel, thank you so much. Oh, it's like a little notebook. I love the bag. I got it backwards, stenciled back. Oh, Isabel. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness, I love how you put those together like a clipboard. Oh, happy Valentine's Day. Oh, I love that. Thank you. Oh my gosh, and I love this bow. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness, Isabel. This is fantastic. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And you were extremely generous sending it on a magnet too. Oh, Wow, is this a vent cover? I think that's fantastic. I love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I love that. Okay, and let me pause here. I want to move the box. Okay, and now there's this box. And oh my goodness, Isabel. Thank you so much. I don't know what's in here. It's a little on the heavy side. I love the gold ornament paper. What did you do? Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. What a neat box too. Let's hydrate. Prime and set. Okay. What is this for? Oh, and we gotta get the little sticky off here. Oh my goodness. What is this? Thank you so much for those of you who have stopped by to look at this unboxing. What a neat box. Oh my gosh, what is this? Let's hydrate, setting spray, and face primer. Oh my goodness. Oh, for when I want to do a live. Thank you so much, Isabel. Oh, wow. Thank you, hun. I really appreciate it. Aw, you are the sweetest, most generous, kindest, supportive friend, and I truly, truly am blessed and appreciate you bunches. Thank you, everybody who has stopped in to have some fun with me, unbox all of these awesome goodies from my very, very good, very best friend, Isabel, the shabby hippie. Oh my gosh, I love all of this. Please hop over if you missed the first part and watch the first part of the unboxing so you can listen and see all of the goodies. Okay, take care, and I will see you next time. Thank you, Isabel. I love you. Okay, hun. Okay, bye, guys. See you in a while, because I have more videos coming up. Okay? All right, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.